Hi, I'm Roxy.
We know.
That's Lucas, and this is Today on the Green.
So, what's happening today?
Well, last night there was a Mt SAC workshop. More on that with Alexa.
Hey Bearcats! Yesterday was the Mt SAC application workshop in the library. This was for all seniors who need help with their application. Benita is working very hard to make sure all their students are prepared during college applications and post-graduation. Now, back to the studio.
Thanks, Alexa.
So, due to us now rotating, we are going to be doing a new segment these next few weeks where the host that is not on screen, we get to know them more. So, take it away, Nathan.
Hello, I'm Nathan, and I'll be answering the most asked questions. Where do you see yourself next year? I see myself probably working before I go on a mission. If you had to pick a decade to dress in, what decade would it be? I'd say 30s or 40s. That's my favorite dress. How long have you been doing theater? I have been doing theater for 7 years now. Almost eight years of theater. How long have you known Lucas for? I've known my best friend Lucas for, I'd say, 2 years total. Well, thank you for the question, guys, and back to the studio.
Thanks, Nathan.
You're welcome.
Well, I can't wait to do that within the next few weeks. Your turn's next week.
Finally, on a good note, there has been an agreement on a ceasefire in Israel. More on that with Dimitri.
After 15 months of fighting, Israel and Hamas have agreed to a ceasefire. The ceasefire deal also includes the release of many hostages and Palestinian prisoners. The ceasefire will last for 6 weeks and it could be extended if the talks go well. The main goal is to find a lasting solution that ends the fighting for good. Now back to the studio.
Thanks, Dimitri.
Well, that concludes today's episode of Today on the Green.
Come back next time to see what's happening today on the green tomorrow.